Ooh. All right. My boy got the block all washed up. They ain't no aluminum block, so it don't look super nice.
Right, when they're aluminum and you do that, they look brand new.
But still look good though. Got all that black film off the inside of it.
Blow it off.
And my little bullshit ass paint job held up all right.
Pretty good.
So we got the block all cleaned up, nice and bathed. He already got the new cam bearings pressed in. Did a little light little hone on the cylinder walls, just touch them up. And then we're soaking the pistons in some Chem dip. Cleaning them up pretty nice. We'll put some elbow grease on them here in a minute.
Unfortunately, yeah.
It'd be like that. So our goal tonight is to get the short block together. And then that way, you know, the meticulous shit is done tonight. And then tomorrow we can finish buttoning it up and see about maybe getting it in there depending how timing and all that shit goes.
The truck is running this weekend.
There it is.
It is 100% running this weekend.
You heard it here first, folks. And then got the old Crankonian right here. Got cleaned up, turned. Well, it didn't get turned, it just got polished. And the cam got polished. And the dude asked, he said, was this shit even ran? We told him 50 miles. He's like, bro, this shit don't even look like it got ran, but I'll polish it anyways, whatever.
We are better safe than sorry on this.
For sure.
Given the current shit show we had to do, we are better safe than sorry on this.
We are 100% making sure this time. And that's what, I don't know, man. I was just like, you know what, we're here, just do the damn bearings. Just get it clean. We know it's clean. We got the new oil pan. Got our BTR trunnion set.
Yeah, see, there's no way we're putting this all together and doing the trunnion kit tonight and all this.
Yeah, yeah. No, because I know that trunnion kit takes a minute.
Yep.
But we're going to get some elbow grease in, and I'll pick y'all up with an update here in a little bit. Well, the pistons look mad decent. A little elbow grease, you know. So we got the pistons cleaned up. Modesto got the cam in here, got the mains put back on.
Crank, not cam.
Crank, whatever. Yep. See, there's that brake cleaner kicking in, boy. Got the crank in, spinning nice and smooth. So that's where we'll go ahead and oh, bonus, he put the rear cover on. So it's midnight and I got to get up in like 4 hours and he's about smoked. So we're going to call it a night and we'll pick this one back up tomorrow. I might even just leave you the camera.
I don't know about that.
Yeah, dog.
I don't know about that.
Pick that bitch up. Just be like, hi.
Gonna put it on a tripod and just
work
do my thing.
But nah, we'll get back at it tomorrow. Mr. Motivation 5000 says this bitch is driving off the lift tomorrow night.
It is driving off the lift tomorrow night. Unless there's some weird, super weird problem or something crazy happens, it is driving off the lift tomorrow night.
You heard it here first, folks. Fuck it, we're doing it live. Been busy today, my boy.
Just a little bit.
So while I was at work today, old Modesto got the pistons and rods put back in, and he made a discovery that I had overlooked. I didn't even pay attention to that shit. but he was cleaning up the journals on the rods, and he said, hold up, wait a minute,
We got Gen 4 rods.
it's Gen 4 rods. So with there are no lip in the cylinder bores, Gen 4 rods.
Probably reman.
I think they, but like, would they do it? Did they send them out that way, or did somebody probably do that at a dealership or something?
I'm really sure, man. There's too many. You gotta think about it. It's 2025.
Right.
That's
11 years old.
Dude, that's
Or
old.
21 years old. I'm sorry.
Almost 11 years old.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's old, man. It's freaking old. So there's no telling. You know, its past life, what's been done, who's been in it. You know.
Right.
There's no telling, bro.
Yeah, so who knows? Maybe they got it rebuilt at some point and whatever. Now it's getting rebuilt again, but that's cool, a little free. Because I was thinking in my head, you had me going off the deep end the other night. I was like, well, we got it all apart. Should I try to score a set of flat tops and Gen 4 rods and And then I get over here and he's like, hey bro, these are Gen 4 rods. So that's cool. But we're starting to work on the windage tray, pickup tube. Got the freaking.
What the hell? It looks goofy as hell.
Gripped up.
That's crazy.
But yeah, so we're gonna continue buttoning this mug up, getting everything put back on it, and if anything eventful happens, I'll pick y'all up. But if not, we're just gonna keep our heads down and